Okay, here's how you can get Roblox Voice Chat without ID. So what we want to do is just click on the gear icon and go into settings. Now I'll show you that I don't have voice chat currently. So if I go into privacy here, I don't have voice chat. If we want to get voice chat without ID, we will go into account info here and we want to add a phone number. So if you have added a phone number, then you can use voice chat. So here, what I'm going to do is actually, add the phone number. So I'll click on add phone number. I'll set the code here to Mexico. This isn't my real phone number. I'm just using this temporary phone number to activate this. I'm gonna copy it and I'll paste it here. I'm gonna click on continue. Now it's gonna make me start a puzzle here. So I'm just gonna connect these pieces and I'll come back. Alright, so I just submitted the phone number by saying that something went wrong, please try again later. That usually happens when the phone numbers you're trying to use are, public like this. But basically, if you or if you add a phone number to your account, and if you live in the US, Mexico, and a bunch of other countries here, if you go into the privacy settings, you will have voice chat, and that's how you get it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, sorry that I couldn't show you. You gotta trust me. I'll see you next time. Bye.